Welcome. Have you ever wanted to clone your WordPress website, probably while you are migrating to a new hosting provider or while you want to change your domain name? I understand this is a tedious task, and this is why I am creating this video to put you through and show you the step-by-step guide on how you can easily clone a full WordPress website in 5 minutes without any errors. My name is Samuel, and on this channel we discuss everything related to tech, and I break down complex tech concepts in a way a newbie can even understand. We publish new and valuable content every Thursday, so you might want to subscribe by clicking the button below and also turn on the bell notification, because our tutorial videos and tips will help you save more money, save time, and save energy. So let's just get started. Now let me tell you and show you some reasons you want to clone a WordPress website. Now, number one, it could be because you want to change your domain name. Now this is a nice example that I would love to use. Let's assume you advertise on Facebook. You use Facebook advert platform to run adverts, and we all know that Facebook actually ban accounts. Like, they keep on banning accounts. So one of the things you want to do when the disabling of accounts is happening to you often and often is to change your domain. So instead of you starting from scratch, designing your website, funnel, or whatever from scratch, you can easily clone your existing website and change the domain and also have the same content, the same website. Another reason could be you want to migrate from one web hosting company or platform to another. So you are looking for a way to clone your existing website and move everything over there. And lastly, it could be because you want to test some things. Let's assume you're a blogger and you want to test new stuff, new features, and you don't want to break your current website so it does not affect your Google ranking or SEO. So you might just want to test on a different server and make sure everything is okay before you push and move it to your main website. Or you are a website designer and you need to test new plugins, new themes. So these are some of the use cases. So let's just get started, and let me show you the website we'll be cloning and where we are cloning it to. Okay, so this is actually my personal website, and this is the website that I'll be cloning. So I just want to show you some of the pages so that when we are done with the cloning process, you can also preview. So this is another page. Can you see the domain name that is carrying? Adeke Samuel, that's my personal website. So I will show you that we can actually clone the website. Can you see this is another page? So I've shown you like 3 pages. Now this is the domain that will clone everything into ESPTechSolutions.com. So this is the domain we want to. Can you see that the domain is empty? There is nothing inside of the domain at the moment. It is just empty. So this is the domain that will clone everything into. So okay, let's just get started. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to have access. You need to have admin access to the website you want to clone. So once you have admin access, the first thing you do is log in to your admin dashboard. Then you install this plugin, which is called Duplicator plugin. So let me, for people that are not familiar with the installation of plugins on WordPress, let me just go over it again because I have it already here. So just click on install. Okay, I have it installed, so let me uninstall it and start from scratch so everybody can flow along with me. Okay, so can you see it is here already? So let me just deactivate it for now and delete, so we can install a fresh one so everybody sees it. Okay, perfect. Now you can either click on this add new or add new here. So let me just use any of the two. So install Duplicator. That's a plugin that we use to clone the website. That's what will do everything for us. So you need to install it here so as to download the files, everything, your database, media file, pages. It will achieve everything so you can download locally to your PC, then you upload to the new server. So can you see it is installed? So make sure you install the one with 1+ million active installation, then you activate. Okay, so we have successfully installed the plugin. Now what you need to do next is look at the left panel. You see the Duplicator menu. Now go to packages rather, then click to create a new package. So this package is just like what your website contains, everything inside your website. So once you click that, click on next. Now it is scanning the website. It wants to create the package. Now this whole process, the duration for this whole process will depend on the size of your website. Can you see? So this website is kind of bulky, so I'm just trying to show you that no matter the size of your website, you can actually do this. So click on this build button after you have checked yes, continue. Now, so this process will take some time due to the size of the website. Normally everything should not take time, because I'm doing a tutorial in less than 5 minutes. I should be done. You get it now, but I want to put you through how to actually do it yourself. So just stay with me, we'll soon be done. So once the package is ready, you download to your PC and we are done with the first phase. This is just the first phase. So let's just let's wait for. Okay, awesome. So this is the complete package that you can download. So what you do next is click on this one click download. So I want to download the 2 files to our PC. Let me, because I've downloaded some already, so let me just name this demo so I know what we are doing. Okay, so download this first, and the second one, which is the installer, that's what will unzip all of the files for us. Okay, so let me clear this one and you save. Okay, so while this is downloading, so we're actually done with the first phase. We are just waiting for it to download to our PC. So what you do next is to log into the cPanel of the new website, which means you already have the domain and the hosting available. Now let me say this: if you only want to implement this tutorial, probably you are not really using it at the moment, you just want to implement what you have learned, you can actually create a subdomain and use the subdomain just to implement what you have learned. It's not a must you buy a new domain and all of that. You can just create a subdomain to see that, okay, this truly works. You get it now? So just log into the cPanel of the new website. So what do? The first thing you do is go to File Manager. So what we want to do here is we want to actually upload these files that you have downloaded. So let me just click on this. Since this will waste our time, I actually have the files downloaded already on my PC. Okay, so let's upload the files to this server now. Now, probably this will actually waste our time since I have it downloaded on my PC already. What do? I'll just upload the files that I've downloaded earlier because I've shown you the process. You already understand the process. So what do? Now, listen. If you are using the primary domain of the hosting account, just search for public HTML or www. Some web hosting company use www folder, while some use public HTML, public_HTML. So you want to upload these files under those root directory. But if you are using an add-on domain, just like this DSP Tech Solution is an add-on domain under this hosting account. You get it now? So just locate the domain. And if you are using subdomain too, locate the subdomain. But if you are using the primary domain, try to get the public_HTML folder. So that's where you upload the file. So what do? Click on it. Can you see the directory is empty? Make sure everything is empty. Like everything inside the directory is empty before you get started, before you upload anything. You get it now? So let's assume you do not know how to delete the files that you already have. All you need to do is just click on it. You can also use Ctrl or Shift key to highlight the files or folder. Then you use this icon to delete. It is because there is nothing here. That's why there is nothing to delete. Then you click on this delete icon here to delete. So empty the folder, then upload the two files that we have downloaded. So I'll be using the previous ones that I've downloaded, so we'll not waste our time. So just click on this upload and select file. Okay, so I have this already. So let me use this. Can you see? Okay, then let me upload the second file too. Oh, installer, is it there? Okay, so let's just hold on till this file is uploaded. It might take a while because of the size. Okay. Okay. All right, so let me just click this and select file. You might not have that issue anyway. Oh my god. Okay, awesome. So I will pause this video for now until this reaches probably 90 something, so we'll come back, so now it's our time. Okay, so let's continue. Can you see we have the blue color now? You need to wait till it changes to green. That's when it is successfully uploaded. Okay, awesome. So what do you do next? Just click on this link below. Can you see? So we have the two files uploaded to this folder. Now, once you have confirmed this, the next thing you do is to create the database for this new website. So how do you do that? Just go back to your cPanel and locate my databases group or section. Then click on MySQL databases. So you want to create the database for this account. Now, while you are doing this, ensure you have a notepad somewhere that you can type in what you are creating. So let me just put something here. Let's assume we are using DTS for this particular website. So the name of the database is DTS. So what do? Can you see it has been added? What do? Just copy the database name because you need all of this info very soon. So DB name, paste it there. Then you go back. Now the next thing you want to do is create a new user for the database. So let me call this what should I call it? The username to use. Use something you can actually relate to based on the project you are working on. Do you get it now? So let me just call this DSPT. Then put your password. And also enter the password again. Okay, so while it is loading, let's see the strength of the password, which should be strong. Oh, Ajax error. So let's just create the user and see. All right, user has been created. Now note down the username too. Can you see what I'm doing? Because you will need all of this very soon. So username. Now go back, you know your password. There's no need to type that. Now the last thing you do here is to connect both database and the user. So what do? Just come here, add user to database. So search for DSPT and the database name is DTS. Awesome. Then you click on add. After clicking on add, you grant all privileges. Can you see? So click on make changes button. So we are done with this. Now the next thing you want to do now is to open a new tab, or open a new tab in your browser. Then you type your domain name dot your domain extension /installer.php. So what we want to do now is we want to extract the file that we have uploaded, the archive file that we have uploaded. We want to extract it. And how do we do that? We do that by visiting the URL domain name.domain extension /installer.php, and Duplicator will undo every other thing. So in this case we are using DSP text solution. Now /installer.php. Then you what? Enter. Okay, so it is loading. Awesome. Can you see? So you have this page. Now click on I have read and accept all terms and click on next. So it is extracting the archive file. So this might really take time because of the size of the file. So this will happen. I'll pause the video now and we'll resume when it is done. Okay, awesome. So can you see it is done? Now the next thing you do is come to this database where you have database. Now the database name that you copied earlier, just copy and paste it there. Can you see? That's why I said you should paste it somewhere. The username too. This is the username. Just copy it and paste. Can you see? Now the password. Enter your password. I think that's all. So you want to test if everything is the setup is fine. So just click on test database. So let's see. Can you see? Pass, requirement, pass. Notice good, everything is okay. So what do you do next? Just click on next button and okay. Can you see? So it is installing database and we are almost done. This is just the last phase. Awesome. Can you see? So it will carry the title of your previous website. Can you see it? So everything is okay. Just click on next. You can decide to change the site title name. You can do it here or do it on your admin dashboard. Whichever way is okay. Okay, so we are done. Now, next thing you want to do is log in as an admin. When you log in as an admin, you want to clear all of the files that Duplicator plugin has created for you. So you want to do that. Now, what do? Just click on this admin login. That's why I said you need to have access to the website as an admin. So what do I do now? Just log in as an admin. Let me use this account. So let's see if it will work. Oh, sorry. So let me just use let me use my normal. Okay. Can you see? So you have logged in, and forget all of this. Remind me later. And so Duplicator will actually clear all of the files that it has created, and boom, we are done. That is all. Like, you have successfully cloned a fully functional website. Can you see it? So it has cleaned up everything. Now let's go back to this WordPress the WordPress website that we cloned, so that you can see the difference. Can you see the domain URL here, adegesamuel.com? Now try visit the home page of this website. So you see that it is exactly the same thing. Wait for it. Can you see? Exactly the same thing. In fact, you don't need to change anything here. Exactly the same thing. Can you see it? Exactly the same thing. So you have successfully cloned the website. Okay, let me just click on any button so you can see what I'm saying. This was one of the pages that we opened, right? Can you see? Adeleke Samuel. This was one of the pages. Now look at this domain. Can you see? DSP Tech Solutions. Can you see that it's changed the domain, the primary domain, adegesamuel.com? So guys, think we have successfully cloned the WordPress website. And if you have gotten value from this tutorial video, kindly share with me in the comment section how you intend to use it. And if you want to be nice, you should share with your friends, because you actually got value. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button below, and also turn on the bell notification so you get notified whenever we drop new content. Okay, so the last thing I'll test here so you understand what I'm saying. Can you see? adegesamuel.com/free. Now click on DSP Tech Solutions /free. You see that it's the same thing. Just trying to show you that you have actually cloned your WordPress website. Can you see? This is DSP Tech Solution, and this is what? adegesamuel.com. Can you see? So you have successfully cloned the WordPress website. So if you have any questions, ask in the comment section, and also share with me how you intend to use this tutorial video. And I will share some links to the web hosting company I use in the description so you can check it. Okay, thanks for viewing, and see you in the next video.